Hello, this is Tracy McManaman. I have nearly 23 years of experience in the health insurance industry helping individuals, families, and businesses find affordable health insurance. I encourage you to check us out on the internet at kyfreehealthquotes.com or call me directly. My direct number is toll-free 877-549-1212. Today I want to talk briefly about what are the best ways to find affordable Kentucky health insurance. Certainly there's a lot of different areas involved in evaluating coverages, but one of the most important things that we have found from people that we talk to in Kentucky is that they feel confident once they locate an experienced independent agent. An independent agent is someone who can represent all the major companies in the state of Kentucky, and quite frankly there are just a few of them. That is Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield, Humana, Golden Rule, United Healthcare, and Aetna. Beyond that, the carriers, if there are any other carriers, are not very large, nor are they perhaps somewhat reliable. One of the first things that you should do is ask an agent what carrier he or she might represent. And if they don't represent all of the companies that I mentioned, or most of them anyway, you really probably ought to try to find an agent that will. Also very important is explain to the agent your reason for seeking new health insurance, because that'll help them narrow down the options available to you. Are you just coming off COBRA? Are you just coming off a parent's plan? Got laid off? Need new coverage? Don't like rates? Be specific and let the agent know why you're looking for health insurance today. Also explain any medical issues, and very importantly explain any medications, because that agent should be able to tell you right on the spot what the outcome would be if you're taking a specific medication that is not desirable on behalf of the insurance companies, because we all have guides that tell us what medications are acceptable and what medications are not. Hopefully the agent will give you recommendations, help you narrow down the choices. Within any one company there's probably 100 different options, and you could spend hours upon hours on the internet just searching all of it. You'll also find on the internet, by the way, that all the rates are the same. It doesn't matter if you buy your health insurance from KY Free Health Quotes or mom and pop store or some of these mega outfits that are call centers, because all the rates are controlled by the Department of Insurance in Kentucky. So no one agent can give you any better deal. If they tell you they can, it's not true, and they risk losing their license. It's also important to understand a couple of underwriting issues. What's acceptable, what's not. What if you need maternity coverage? Where's the best place to go? What if you're currently pregnant? What if you're on some medication? What if you have a pending surgery? All those areas can be addressed right up front by an experienced independent agent. It's also important to know the carrier network. Is your doctor or is your hospital that you want to go to going to be in that network? Frankly, if you're dealing with Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield or Humana, they have the biggest networks in the state of Kentucky, and there are ones that you definitely want to look at first. It's important that you let the agent help you, because by the agent asking you questions, they'll be able to understand your needs. And that's exactly what we do here at KY Free Health Quotes, is that we ask a lot of questions up front because we want to know the situation, because we have the experience to tell you right on the phone, on the very first call, what the outcome may be. You always want to avoid getting a decline letter from a health insurance application or health insurance company, because it will stay on your record, and it's a very damaging thing. So call us and we'll give you greater details about that. At our firm, we do the underwriting up front. We don't like to tell people after they spent 15 minutes filling out an application and it's gone through the carrier's hands that it's going to be declined. We know pretty much right when we take an application if that application will be acceptable or not. If you ask, or we may ask you, would you like some recommendations? Because again, health insurance is not something that most people are terribly comfortable with. You want to find someone that you feel that you can trust. We'll even assist you with the application. And here's what makes us different from all the other people in Kentucky that offer health insurance, is that we're available all the time. Before, during, and after the sale. You can call me directly if you need something. If you have a question, you can call me. We have special ways to contact the insurance companies that are all expedited, but we are always here for the follow-up. So that's probably one of the major things that makes us drastically different. it is important to note that all the services that we talked about today that we provide to clients and prospects, we don't charge for. So rest assured that if you call us, KY Free Health Quotes, as I said, you can talk to me directly. I have 23 years of experience in the health insurance industry. I'll be glad to help you. I'll be glad to find out what your needs are, and I'll be glad to make recommendations. But keep in mind, these are some of the best tips to find affordable health insurance. Hope you have a great day. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.